Namaste, this is BSc B.Ed first semester class of Atomic Structure and Bonding. Today's our topic is chemistry of genome. So I discussed about genome and its properties and its compounds. Genome, a chemical element and heavy and extremely rare gas of group 18 of the periodic table. It was the first noble gas found to form true chemical compounds more than 4.5 times heavier than air. Genome is colorless, odorless and tasteless. Solid genome belongs to the face-centered cubic crystal system, which implies that its molecule, which consists of single atoms, behaves as spheres packed together as closely as possible. The name genome is derived from the Greek word genos, that means strange or foreign. So this is the configuration of genome and atomic number of genome. These are the properties of genome. Atomic number is 54, atomic weight is 131.29, and melting point of genome is minus 111.9 degree centigrade, and boiling point is minus 108 degree centigrade. Density of this atom is 5.887 gram per liter, and oxidation state shows 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. And electronic configuration is krypton 4d10 5s2 5p6. Now we discuss about the properties of this element. Genome occurs in slight traces in gases within Earth and is present to an extent of about 0.000086%, or about 1 part in 10 million of volume in dry air. Like several other noble gases, genome is present in meteoroids. Genome is manufactured on a small scale by the fractional distillation of liquid air, and it is the least volatile of noble gases obtainable from the air. The British chemists William Ramsay and Maurice W. Travers isolated the element in 1898 by repeating fractional distillation of noble gas krypton. So the element xenon is used in lamps and that produce extremely short and intense flashes of light, such as stroboscope and lights for high speed photography. When a charge of electricity is passed through the gas at low pressure, it emits a flash of bluish white light. At higher pressure, white light resembling daylight is emitted. Xenon flash lamps are used in activate ruby lasers. Now we discuss about the compounds of genome. Noble gases were thought to be chemically inert until 1962, and British chemist Neil Bartlett produces the first noble gas compound, a yellow rain solid that passively formulated as a mixture of xenon F, PTF6, xenon F plus, PT2F11 minus, and PTF5. Xenon has the most extensive chemistry in group 18 and exhibits the oxidation state of plus 1 by 2, plus 2, plus 4, plus 6, and plus 8 in the compounds it forms. Since the discovery of noble gas, reactivity in xenon compounds, including halides, oxides, oxofluorides, and oxosalts, and numerous covalent derivatives with a number of compounds covalently bonded to other polyatomic ligands, have been synthesized and structurally characterized. As might be predicted from the position of xenon in the periodic table, xenon compounds are poor oxidizing agent than krypton compounds. Hence, much of currently known xenon chemistry involves its fluorides and oxofluorides in their reactions. So these are the compounds of genome. Thank you so much.